Hello everybody, I'm Mortika Lacrosse, and this is another episode of Pursuit of Happiness, continuing the series that I started with the last two videos. And we're going to talk about the more you focus on abundance and you focus your attention away from scarcity, there's going to come times where scarcity pops up into your life to basically, it's kind of like a blockage, if you will, and from achieving your goal. And so what you have to do is you have to not focus on it, turn your attention away from the scarcity in your life and the scarcity in the world in order to receive the abundance, the wealth, and the prosperity that you're going for, the goal that you're achieving. Now that doesn't mean you have to be super positive all the time and never be negative or hide your bills in the dresser drawer and ignore it and not face reality. That just means that your main focus has to be on prosperity and wealth. But you can't ignore reality either. So you have to focus on, more of the wealth and prosperity than the scarcity. So basically, you want to keep focus on the end goal, on the prosperity and the wealth in this particular situation that this part of the series, A Pursuit of Happiness, has been discussing. So if you were on a road trip, you're not gonna look behind where you were at. You need to look forward to where you're going, because if you look back at where you're at, you're not gonna get to where you're going. You're just gonna get a car wreck. Metaphorically speaking, this is the same thing, or the same aspect, or the same, I don't know what you call it, but it's the same basic thing. And so basically, in order to do that, in order to get to the goal of prosperity and wealth, you have to, it's like a road. You're in the car and you have to focus on what's ahead of you and not what's behind you. And that will help you achieve the goal. So if you want to continue seeing more of this series, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of future videos here in the Pursuit of Happiness. Now, next week, I believe that it won't be one of these videos. It will be a video about, even though it'll be on Christmas, the next video that pops up, the video will be about New Year's resolutions and ways to keep New Year's resolution and how to keep them. So I hope you all will enjoy that future video. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm Mortika Lacrosse. As always, until next time, peace out and namaste.